Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trigger the Bountiful Crops in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. For this weekly challenge during the winter frost season, we need to trigger the Bountiful Crops, and then I'm going to explain to you how we can do that. Basically, to trigger the Bountiful Crops in Heartopia, you need to consistently water your plants, or you can also use the fertilizer. And you can also level up your gardening hobby to increase the chance of harvesting double the yield. Okay, and I'm going to show you the example of the Bountiful tomatoes. So the appearance looks like this. This is one of the Bountiful crops. You need to plant crops on the soil, and then you're going to keep watering it and apply the fertilizer. To water them, just go to the toolbox and you can equip the watering can. And for the fertilizer, you can get it from Belang store. Wait, let me show you my fertilizer. Okay, this is the fertilizer I applied, and it will help you to trigger the Bountiful crops. And then I'm going to harvest it. Okay, as you can see, I got the Bountiful crops. Yeah, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can trigger the Bountiful crops in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!